This is Med School Radio, and we're looking at First Day 2020. Again, this time, page 100, Immunology, Major Histocompatibility Complex 1 and 2, and the HLA subtypes associated with diseases. So if you're not looking at the book, it's going to be a bit complicated, but you should be able to memorize these. So I like to read through these to help me. So thanks for tuning in. Let's start out with Major Histocompatibility Complex 1 and 2. MHC encoded by HLA genes present antigen fragments to T cells and bind T cell receptors, or TCRs. Okay, first MHC1. So the loci is HLA-A, HLA-B, HLA-C. MHC1 loci have one letter. The binding is TCR and CD8. The structure, one long chain, one short chain. Expression, all nucleated cells, APCs, platelets, except red blood cells. The function, present endogenous antigens, for example, viral or cytosolic proteins, to CD8 plus cytotoxic T cells. All right, antigen loading. Antigen peptides loaded onto MHC1 in RER, or the rough endoplasmic reticulum, after delivery via TAP, transporter associated with antigen processing. The associated proteins, beta-2 microglobulin. Next, MHC2. So think of the loci HLA-DP, HLA-DQ, HLA-DR, and MHC2 loci have two letters, okay? The binding, TCR and CD4. The structure, two equal length chains, two alphas and two betas. The expression, APCs. The function, present exogenous antigens, for example, bacterial proteins, to CD4 helper T cells. The antigen loading. Antigen is loaded following release of invariant chain in an acidified endosome, and the associated proteins, invariant chain. Okay, next is the HLA subtypes associated with diseases. First, A3, the HLA subtype A3. The disease is hemochromatosis. The mnemonic, HA3 mochromatosis. Sounds like hathromochromatosis. I don't know, I can't read it. B8 is Addison disease, myasthenia gravis, Graves' disease. The mnemonic, don't be late, with an 8, Dr. Addison, or else you'll send my patient to the grave. B27 subtype, the disease psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, IBD associated arthritis, and reactive arthritis. The mnemonic, PAIR, P-A-I-R, also associated with seronegative arthropathies. Okay, C subtype, HLA subtype, is for psoriasis. DQ2 and DQ8 are for celiac disease. Mnemonic, I8 with an 8, number 8, 2 with number 2, much gluten at Dairy Queen with a DQ. DR2 is for multiple sclerosis, hay fever, SLE, and Goodpasture syndrome. The mnemonic, drive, or DRIVE, to multiple hay pastures. Okay, DR3 is for diabetes mellitus type 1, SLE, Graves' disease, Hashimoto thyroiditis, Addison's disease. Mnemonic here is 2-3 SLE, 23 SLE. DR4 is for rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes mellitus type 1, Addison disease. Mnemonic: there are 4 walls in one room, spelled R-H-E-U-M. Okay? And the last one here, DR5, is for Hashimoto thyroiditis. The mnemonic: Hashimoto is an odd doctor. In parentheses, DR3, DR5. Okay, so there we have it. Memorize the HLA subtypes and know the difference between MHC1 and MHC2. Thanks very much.